Why?
Gators. They're here.
Do you like it, Shiloh?
See all these like hiking trails, these sidewalks through here. That's all new. Since last time I was here.
Yeah. I was here like 10 years ago, I think. Actually, no. I came here when I was like going through.
You might find the Mayaka gold over here.
Hey, Shiloh. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, almost stepped on you.
The Mayaka king, the chief of the Mayaka tribe, had enough gold to fill a room knee high. Over here, so clean and clear.
Boy! Good boy!
It's giving them minerals that they need, you know? A lot of food has crushed up. A lot of animal food has crushed up eggshells.
Come on, boy.
They're in here.
If there are, they're gonna be all the way down.
All of that swamp back there. There's gators all up in there. You ever come up in here at night with a boat?
I don't.
What do you think, Shiloh? That little prance. Oh, he stopped prancing right when I said that.
There was 11 different sub-tribes of the Mayaka, and they each had their own chief. Well, all the chiefs had loads of Spanish gold from trading with the Spanish, and also the shipwrecks. When they'd wreck and they'd kill the Spanish, they would when they pull ashore, the Indians would kill them and keep their gold and silversmiths alive so they could make stuff for them and use them as slaves. Anyway, the legend has it the main chief of the Mayan.
Oh, we gotta smell each other's
Yep. I have to make sure for whatever they are.